Well, we're in the storage yard or the work yard now, and the bilge was pretty gross. If this was smell-o-vision, you would definitely smell it. Be like, ooh, stinky bilge water. But they have a place I can properly dispose of that, so that's a job. Okay, so when I got the boat, the wiring was definitely not good, and there was a harness that connected all this stuff together, but it was like barely taped up and it just wasn't right. And I'm like, there's only 12 really wires, so I wired it myself, positive bus bar to the starter button, and then basically the starter button goes to the starter solenoid, which I don't know if I will need for the 3GM starter. I would imagine that the starter is similar, and I probably will do it the same way. So I'm going to leave that, just unwire everything, take all the negatives off, get all the wires either out of here or, well, some of them are going to be with that control panel that will go wherever with this motor. All right. All right. So the guy that was maybe interested in buying this for parts bought a different engine, so not great for me, but that's okay, because that means he's not going to come look at it, and so I can go ahead and start taking it apart. I took one last video of it running, so any prospective buyers can see that. But yeah, I can go ahead and start taking it apart. So cue the time lapse. The sounds of grinding in the morning. So it's Wednesday morning. I got most of the electrical taken apart, got the exhaust hose to take off this morning, and then yeah, basically I'm gonna start pulling the mounts out. So I took a time lapse yesterday, and it was mostly just my backside because I've got my head in the hole. Could hear Dad saying, "It'd be a lot cooler if I didn't have to look at your butt crack." But all right, it's gonna be my day. We'll take some pictures or video later. All right, got the coupler decoupled, looking good. Got the exhaust elbow there disconnected. That wasn't easy. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm getting so much done today. I mean, it took me months to even think about how to do all this stuff before. When I took the motor mounts out before, that was so much. I was scared for sure that I was going to do something wrong, but I didn't. It worked out. Everything that I did worked, except up until the end of it not cooling anymore. So yeah, we'll see if somebody else wants to take it over. All the bolts are off. I've got it off the mounts so I can lift it and move it over here. hard not to scratch the thing here. All right, your side quest awaits. There we go. All right. So now I just take the motor mounts off, motor's out of the way, get all that cleaned up. All right, not bad for first day.